22 number, d by dx of 5 to the power sin x square. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 5 to the power sin x square, तो ये कंपोजिशन ऑफ 5 to the power x देन sin x अच्छी एंड x square, तो मते 5 to the power x डेरिवेटिव करियर अच्छी देन sin x डेरिवेटिव फार्मूला अप्लाई कर अच्छी देन x square डेरिवेटिव, तो a to the power x रा फार्मूला a to the power x into ln a, तो 5 to the power sin x square अच्छी, तो 5 to the power sin x square into ln 5, देन मते d by dx of sin x square या डेरिवेटिव करियर अच्छे, तो इक्वल्स टू 5 to the power sin x square ln 5, देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x square, तो sin डेरिवेटिव फार्मूला cos, तो x square रखियो into d by dx of x square, तो इक्वल्स टू 5 to the power sin x square into ln 5 into cos x square into x square डेरिवेटिव 2x, तो दिस इक्वल टू 2 अच्छी कांस्टेंट, ln 5 अच्छी कांस्टेंट, x अच्छी वेरिएबल, cos x square into 5 to the power sin x square, बस इला आंसर। 23 नंबर, तो 23 a very important question, तो d by dx of ln and pi by 4 plus x by 2, तो ये फंक्शन था कंपोजिशन ऑफ थ्री फंक्शंस ln x, देन ला tan x, देन ला pi by 4 plus x by 2, तो ये थ्री रा कंपोजिशन ला ln tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, तो ln x फार्मूला अप्लाई करिवा, tan x फार्मूला भी यूज हबो और pi by 4 plus x by 2 रा डेरिवेटिव करिवा, तो इक्वल्स टू ln डेरिवेटिव 1 by x, तो 1 by tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, then the d by dx of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, तो equals to 1 by tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, तो sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 divided by cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 into tan derivative sec square x, tan x derivative sec square x, तो here about sec square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into d by dx of pi by 4 plus x by 2, तो ये रेसिप्रोकल कर दो, तो cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 divided by sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 into sec square theta equal to 1 by cos square theta, तो 1 by cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2 into derivative of pi by 4 plus derivative of x by 2, तो derivative pi by 4 तो constant अच्छी, तो derivative equal to 0, but derivative x by 2 half टा constant, तो half रहेला, तो derivative x ही मते करियर अच्छी, derivative x equal to 1, तो ठीक है मेरी स्टेप ओमिट कर छी, तो derivative x by 2 करले half into derivative x और pi by 4 तो constant, derivative equal to 0, now ये expression गोटे cancel है जीवो, equals to 1 1 1 अच्छी, तो 1 रहेला divided by 2 अच्छी sin pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos, ये cos cancel है थी वो, तो रहेला cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 equals to 1 by 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to formula, trigonometry formula, sin 2 theta 2 into pi by 4 plus x by 2 equals to 1 by 2 multiply करें sin pi by 2 plus x, तो equals to 1 by sin 90 plus x equal to cos x, और 1 by cos x equal to formula sec x, trigonometry formula, तो आंसर ला sec x। तो तुम्हें स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं जीवो। Then 24 number, d by dx of root over of a to the power root x, derivative of root over of a to the power root x. This one la composition of root x अच्छी, a to the power x अच्छी and root x अच्छी, ये three functions ला composition। ये formula use करेगा a to the power x फॉर्मूला यूज करिबा अगेन रूट x फॉर्मूला यूज करिबा तो equals to root derivative 1 by 2 root x the 1 by 2 into root over a to the power root x then into d by dx of a to the power root x equals to 1 by 2 into root over of a to the power root x a to the power x formula a to the power x into ln a so a to the power root x into ln a then derivative of d by dx of root x equals to a to the power root x into ln a divided by 2 into root over of a to the power root x. Our root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So equals to answer a to the power root x into ln a divided by 4 2 into 2 4 into root x into root over of a to the power root x. So the answer. Then 25 d by dx of ln e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. तो ये composition of ln x अच्छी and अच्छी e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. तो मो ln x का derivative formula पे apply कर ले तो derivative ln x equal to 1 by x. तो 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx into d by dx of e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx equals to 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. Then derivative of d by dx of e to the power nx plus d by dx of e to the power minus nx. Then equals to 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. So derivative of nx, so derivative of nx equal to e to the power nx into d by dx of nx. मिस करिबनी गोटे एक्सप्रेशन मिस हला माने आंसर रॉन्ग हे जीवो प्लस e to the power minus nx into d by dx of minus nx equals to 1 by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx. E to the power nx derivative of nx equal to n into 1 x derivative 1 n the constant so using algebra derivative n into derivative of x the derivative x equal to 1 plus e to the power minus nx the same thing minus n into derivative of x so minus n into 1 तो both रे हमारा n कॉमन अछि तो बस खाली n कॉमन नै जीवा तो n into e to the power nx minus e to the power minus nx divided by e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx इला तुम्हारा आंसर ये डिफिकल्ट नो तुम्हें खाली सिंपल चेन रूल ही एप्लीकेशन तुमको करियर अछि. देन द नेक्स्ट 26 d by dx of e to the power root ax e to the power root over of ax. the function टा composition of e to the power x अछि then root x अछि and अच्छी ax डेरिवेटिव मतलब e to the power x फॉर्मूला root x फॉर्मूला ax डेरिवेटिव करियर अच्छी ax डेरिवेटिव तो e to the power x फॉर्मूला e to the power x तो e to the power root over of ax into d by dx of root ax equals to e to the power root ax root x डेरिवेटिव फॉर्मूला तो तुम्हें चाहिए root a टा सेपरेट करि परिबो मो डायरेक्ट अप्लाई कर दछि 1 by 2 root over of x into d by dx of ax तो तुम्हें एमती भी करि परिबो अदरवाइज root a into root x करतबो root a टा कांस्टेंट बाहर को नै जीवो तो root x डेरिवेटिव करले भी हे जीवो तो e to the power root ax into 1 by 2 into root a into root x और ax नो a तो कांस्टेंट a into डेरिवेटिव x डेरिवेटिव 1 तो देन a और root a कैंसिल हे जीवो and e to the power root ax into root a थीबो here or divided by this on 2 थीबो into root x थीबो इला आंसर. द स्क्रीनशॉट यदि पार्चो तो तुम्हें नहीं जाओ. then 27 d by dx of root over of log x, derivative of root over of log x अच्छी, this is the composition of root x अच्छी and log x अच्छी. log x कहला मैंने से ln x मैंने base e, तो without base अच्छी मैंने हमें base e ही consider करेगा. तो root x का derivative formula 1 by 2 root x, the 1 by 2 into root over of log x into d by dx of log x equals to 1 by 2 into root over of log x और log x derivative 1 by x. तो आंसर है 1 by 2 into x into root over of log x. The answer. Then 28 d by dx of e to the power sin x minus e to the power cos x, तो equals to d by dx of, ये डिफरेंस अच्छी, तो d by dx of फर्स्ट टर्म e to the power sin x minus d by dx of a to the power cos x. तो e to the power x का डेरिवेटिव, ये कंपोजिट फंक्शन e to the power x and sin x, तो e to the power sin x का डेरिवेटिव e to the power sin x into d by dx of sin x. a to the power x रे composition of a to the power x and cos x, a to the power x का formula a to the power cos x into ln a into d by dx of cos x equals to e to the power sin x derivative cos x, a to the power cos x ln a, then cos x minus sin x, तो equals to cos x into e to the power sin x minus minus plus ln a into sin x into a to the power cos x. The answer. Then 29 d by dx of e to the power 3x square divided by ln sin x, तो equals to, तो डिवीजन ऑफ टू फंक्शन अच्छी, तो डेफिनेटली हमें अप्लाई करिए कोसेंट रूल. तो कोसेंट रूल d by dx ऑफ न्यूमरेटर e to the power 3x square into ln sin x minus e to the power 3x square into d by dx of ln sin x divided by ln sin x whole square. तो मैं अप्लाई करिए u dash into v minus u into v dash divided by v square. Now d by dx of e to the power 3x square, तो ये तो कंपोजिट फंक्शन, तो मते अप्लाई करिए चेन रूल, तो e to the power x का फॉर्मूला e to the power x into d by dx of 3x square, then into ln sin x minus e to the power 3x square, ln sin x derivative 1 by sin x, then the d by dx of sin x divided by ln sin x whole square equals to e to the power 3x square, 3 the constant, so 3 into x square derivative 2x into ln sin x minus e to the power 3x square into 1 by sin x derivative cos x divided by ln sin x whole square, तो equals to e to the power 3x square common अच्छी, तो e to the power 3x square then whole into 6 x into ln sin x minus cos x by sin x equal to cot x divided by ln sin x whole square. The answer. स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं जाओ, देन हमें लास्ट नंबर 30 करेगा. 30 prove that d by dx of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x whole to the power half. तो मुझे एक्चुअली प्रूफ करियर अच्छी -1 by root over of cos 2x into cos x plus sin x. तो क्वेश्चन टर्म्स अच्छी इन टर्म्स ऑफ tan x दे देछि बट मते प्रूफ करे छि इन टर्म्स ऑफ sin एंड cos अच्छी. तो आगे डेरिवेटिव हम स्टार्ट करिबा देन सिंप्लिफिकेशन बोले सेटा cos sin को चेंज करके प्रूफ कर दबा. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ होल टू द पावर हाफ अच्छी तो x टू द पावर n फॉर्मूला यूज करी हाफ इनटू 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x whole to the power half minus 1 into d by dx of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x equals to half 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x whole to the power half minus 1 equal to minus half. Then derivative of division of two function अच्छी तो definitely मते apply करियर अच्छी quotient rule. तो d by dx of 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x into d by dx of 1 plus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x रो होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू द नेगेटिव पावर अच्छी तो 1 बाय करि परिबा और ए दिटा को इंटरचेंज कर दो पॉजिटिव हो जीवो तो 1 by 2 मो 1 plus tan x न्यूमरेटर को चेंज कर देली 1 minus tan x डिनोमिनेटर होल टू द पावर हाफ देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 डेरिवेटिव tan x डेरिवेटिव 1 इक्वल टू 0 minus डेरिवेटिव tan x equal to sec square x 1 plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x derivative of 1 0 derivative tan x equal to sec square x divided by 1 plus tan x to the power half tan x square. So this equal to 1 by 2 1 plus tan x to the power half divided by 1 minus tan x to the power half. Multiplication कली minus sec square x minus tan x into sec square x then multiply कली minus sec square x plus tan x into sec square x divided by 1 plus tan x to the power 2. तो ये प्लस माइनस अच्छी कैंसिल हो जीवो तो 1 by 2 तो ये 1 plus tan x to the power half अच्छी 82 अच्छी तो ये सिंप्लिफिकेशन 2 minus half हो जीवो तो ये मु 1 कर देली डिवाइड बाय 1 minus tan x to the power half into minus x square x minus 2 sec square x divided by 1 plus tan x to the power 2 minus half ये cancellation है जीवो simplification 2 minus half तो this equal to ये 2 to be cancel है जीवो minus x square x divided by 1 minus tan x to the power half into 1 plus tan x to the power this under 4 minus 1 3 by 2 तो तुम्हें स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं जाओ बाकी सिंप्लिफिकेशन करिबा. तो इक्वल्स टू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई 1 minus tan x रो हाफ 1 minus tan x रो पावर हाफ into 1 plus tan x the power 1 into 1 plus tan x the power 1 by 2 मोटे के स्प्लिट कर दीजिए एक्चुअली 3 by 2 equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 तो ये 1 plus 1 by 2 कर दो 1 plus tan x the power 1 into 1 plus tan x the power half तो ये दिटा प्रोडक्ट ला अपने पावर ऐड है कि अगेन तुम्हारा 3 by 2 ही है जीवो तो equals to minus x square x divided by 1 minus tan x to the power half 1 plus tan x to the power half तो 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x the whole to the power half into 1 plus tan x equals to minus x square x divided by a minus b a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus tan square x the power half into 1 plus tan x. Now अभी हमको sin cos को चेंज करियर अच्छे, minus 1 by cos square x divided by 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x to the power half into 1 plus sin x by cos x तो equals to minus 1 by cos square x divided by LCM तो cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x to power half into LCM cos x plus sin x divided by cos x. So this equals to minus 1 by cos square x divided by cos square x minus sin square x cos 2x divided by cos square x the root over into cos x plus sin x divided by cos x equals to minus 1 by cos square x divided by root over of cos 2x divided by cos x, cos square x root over simplification like cos x into cos x plus sin x divided by cos x. तो ये cos x cos x cos square x ये ला cos square x कैंसिल है जीवा और एंड रिमेंडर minus 1 by root over of cos 2x into cos x plus sin x. इजी बेसी डिफिकल्ट न खाली सिंप्लिफिकेशन लेंगी अच्छी बस चेन रूल करिबो तापरे तुमरो सिंप्लिफिकेशन करी करी तुमे कंप्लीट करिबो प्रूफ.